Today we are going to cook a big meal for our rescued dogs. They have been waiting since morning, and when they hear the food bowl, they know it's time. Look at their faces. This is why I never give up.
Wah, lama. Wah, matiin lang gelasnya. Wah.
Every day at the shelter, food is the most important thing. These dogs were rescued from hard places, but now they have a safe place, love, and a warm meal. I'm not rich, but I try my best every single day for them. Today we have rice, vegetable, and meat. I wash everything first because I want the food to be clean and safe for them. Some dogs are old, some are weak, and some are still need to gain weight. So food like this may help them a lot. Now I start cooking the rice first. The pot is big because we have many dogs to feed. While the rice is cooking, I cut the vegetable into small pieces so the dog can eat easily. Then I cook the meat together to make the food smell good. Now everything is ready. I mix the rice, vegetable, and meat together. This is the part the dog love because they can smell the food. They start barking, jumping, and waiting near the feeding area. I put the food into bowls one by one. It takes time, but every dog deserves their own meal. Some dogs eat fast, some eat slowly, so I try to make sure everyone gets enough. it's feeding time. Look how happy they are. For many people, this might look just a dog food, but for them, this is life. This meal means they are safe today. They don't need to search the street for food anymore.
Bên là thích nha. Hello. Hi.
Well, taking care of rescue dogs is not easy. Some day I feel tired, but when I see them eating, wagging their tails, and feeling safe, I know I have to continue. They only have me, so I will keep trying for them. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting our rescue dog. Please like, comment, or subscribe to follow their journey. Tomorrow, I will show you another day of life at the shelter from Paw Family Kitchen. Thank you so much.